So this is my lesson 4 homework. I'm going to start it. I'm running it in Thonny, which gives me a nice little shell, as well as an editor. Clicking run. Asks how many times to flash. I'm going to say 5 and hit enter. And there's the LED flashing. It will go 5 times. And as you can see in the shell, it's asking me if I want to go again. I'm going to tell it yes, or 1 rather. And I'm going to tell it to flash the LED 3 times. And hit enter. All done. Okay, I'm going to tell it I don't want to run anymore. So I'm going to hit 0 and enter. And we have an exit. So I'm using a while. I'm using the variable go again, which is set to 1 right now, or true. If I enter a 1, it repeats. If I enter a 0, it stops. Thanks. Hope you enjoyed.